What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to get WhatsApp on your T500 smartwatch. So if you want to be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your T500 smartwatch, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. Now first things first, you actually have to come over to your phone. Make sure you turn on Bluetooth and the service location of your phone. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on just like mine. Then also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Now once that is done, on your T500 smartwatch, you want to go ahead and scan the QR code on the smartwatch to find out the app that your T500 smartwatch uses. So basically go ahead and look for the QR code scanner app. In my case, it is actually over here. So I'll go ahead and click on the QR code just like so. Then open up the camera app on your phone, scan the QR code so that we can actually connect both devices together. Open up the QR code using the browser of your phone and you should be able to find out the app that your T500 smartwatch uses. In my case, it is the Fit Pro smartwatch over here. So I'll go ahead and open this up using the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, make sure you open it up with your iOS App Store over here, and then proceed to also make sure you download and install this app into your phone. And once the app is downloaded and installed, the setup process is quite simple. You just have to open it up directly from here, give it all of the permission it needs, so click on agree, and then from over here make sure you actually give it permission to access your location as well. Now what you want to do is to go to the set tab at the bottom over here, then click on buying devices to experience more feature, give it permission to search for your T500 smartwatch, and you can literally see the name of my watch 8, which is actually the name of my T500 smartwatch. I'll go ahead and select it, and as you can see, both devices are now connecting. And once they are connected, you're good to go. Another thing you want to make sure you do is to make sure that both devices are paired via Bluetooth as well. So make sure you click on the got it button and you should be able to see a pop-up asking you to pair both devices through Bluetooth. If you do not see it from over here, just go over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone. And then from over here, make sure you search for the name of your T500 smartwatch and connect to it as well. And you can literally see mine over here. I will also make sure I connect both devices via Bluetooth as well. Click on pair, and now you're good to go. Now that both devices are connected together, if you want to be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your T500 smartwatch, you basically just want to go over to the message push option over here, select that, click on allow. Once all of the list of apps over here opens up, you want to go ahead and locate the WhatsApp app, which is basically over here. Toggle on this button at the right hand side just like so, click on open. Then you want to proceed to look for the Fit Pro app, which is actually the app that your T500 smartwatch actually uses. In my case, it is over here. Then make sure you enable the allow notification access from the top over here. Now once this is enabled, you should be able to get a warning from over here, but just go ahead and ignore it. Click on the check button, then click on OK, and now you want to go back to the Fit Pro app. Make sure you enable this button now for WhatsApp, and once this is done, you should now be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your T500 smartwatch. But if for some reasons you're still not able to get all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications, what you can actually do to fix that problem is to go over to the settings of your phone, go ahead and look for the apps settings, select the app settings, then proceed to look for the WhatsApp app from over here. In my case, it is actually at the bottom. Select WhatsApp and then go over to the notification permission over here. Make sure you allow the show notification access, and then you also want to go back and look for the Fit Pro app, locate the app, select it, and then under notification also make sure you enable the show notification permission as well. Now you should be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications, and I'm going to test things out now. Okay, I have just sent a WhatsApp message to myself, and with some few seconds you should be able to receive both messages on your phone and on your T500. You can literally see I just received it on my T500 smartwatch. This is actually some WhatsApp messages, and on my phone you should also be able to receive those WhatsApp messages as well. You can literally see. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.